to another video. Today we're doing a little bit of a DIY project. Once again, like I said in my last video, I spend a lot of time on Pinterest, and the cool trend that I've been seeing at the moment is like painted denim. Also, my friend Amber, who's like the most talented artist at Mandala Blue on Instagram, she painted this awesome denim jacket that I gave her ages ago for, she went to Splendor in the grass recently, and she bought that, and I was just like so obsessed with it. So I want to try and be as cool as her, even though I'm not. So I bought these really cool pair of vintage Levi's. They're the 501 style, which is really popular with the button fly, and I bought these on Depop, and I thought that maybe I could do a little bit of a fun DIY with them. So let's see how we go. So the first thing I'm doing is just rolling up the jeans to see where I want to cut them, because I want more of a raw edge. So I'm just rolling them up, measuring where I want to cut them, and putting a pin in both sides. Then I'm just cutting them across. I did both legs at the same time because my fabric scissors are quite strong, so I just cut straight through both so they were nice and even. Then I'm just pulling out some of the loose threads and just dressing them a little bit before putting them in the washing machine just so that they can fray. So I was just clearing space on my memory card, and I accidentally deleted the clip where I was painting the red. So sorry. So what I did in the clip that I accidentally deleted, was just draw the shape that I wanted freehand with a pen. Just because I'm pretty confident with like drawing and everything, so I do basically everything freehand, and I just painted over it and filled it in like I'm doing now with the orange. So now basically what I'm doing was just adding a few like paint smudges and stuff, because to be honest, I was a bit messy with my application of the paint. So I just added a few extra little paint strokes and everything just to make them look a little bit grungy and cool. So I did that with the yellow and the red. I also decided I wanted something on the back, so just on the pocket opposite the Levi's tag, I did a simple red flame. And on the edge of the pocket, I just painted in the little stitching border that goes the whole way around the pocket with some yellow. So this is the final result. I'm super excited with how they turned out. I love the smudges, I love the back pocket detail, I just think it ties it all together. For styling, I just went with a simple red belt, a white crop top, and some Air Force Ones. So that's it for this week's video. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and hopefully I can do more stuff like this soon, because I love getting creative and I really like the idea of upcycling old clothes so we can be environmentally conscious. Yeah. So make sure to follow me on Instagram, which is just @KillyBurgess, and on Twitter, which is @KillyBurgess_, I believe. I will fix it if it's wrong here. And don't forget to subscribe, and it's a good idea to click that little notification bell so you get a notification every time I upload, because it's not regular. So you can be like, oh my god, Killy finally posted again. I hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll see you next time. Bye. Peace out.